Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. I pick to Nizam. My name is Husna binti Zulkifli and today I'll be presenting about a short model in producing my educational website which is Husna E-Mart. The contents of my presentation today would be firstly introduction to Ashore, secondly the infographic that I've created in explaining my website, thirdly the Ashore model itself that have detailed explanations, and then lastly the conclusion. Okay, so firstly, what is Assure? So Assure model is an instructional design framework that helps teachers plan and deliver effective lessons, especially when using technology or multimedia. It ensures that teaching is student-centered, interactive, and also well-structured. It was developed to help educators integrate media, methods, and also materials smoothly into classroom instruction while also keeping in mind students' needs and also participation in class. In a short model, each letter actually represents a step in the lesson planning process. A stands for Analyze Learners, where teachers need to understand their students' age, abilities, prior knowledge, and also learning styles. S stands for State Objectives, where teachers need to write clear learning outcomes, what their students will know or should be able to do after the lesson. S stands for Select Methods, Media, and Materials, where teachers need to choose the best teaching methods and tools, for example, like videos, websites, games, or books. And then U stands for Utilize Media and Materials, where teachers need to plan how they will use these tools in class effectively. R stands for Require Learner Participation, where teachers need to make sure that students actively involved in the lesson, for example, in the discussions, activities, or reflections. Lastly, E stands for Evaluate and Revise, where teachers need to assess the lesson success and make improvements for the future. Now, let's get into more detail on how I use Azure model in producing my Husna eMart website. So, firstly, let's focus on analyze learners. So my website is developed to target specifically for year 3 pupils in my school, which is SK Taman Bukit Dahlia Pasigudang Johor, who are known as visual and interactive learners. So pupils in my school have mixed proficiency in English. They also have limited exposure to a balanced nutrition concepts at home as they come from diverse socioeconomic backgrounds which are B40, M40 and also T20. But almost all pupils have digital access at home, and our school also provided smart TV. And English Year 3 syllabus, Unit 6 Food Please, is chosen specifically as pupils have prior knowledge in food groups in science subject. Next, for state objectives, my website aims Year 3 pupils to be able to learn about English and science subjects simultaneously. So this is considered as a cross-curricular learning. And then they should also be able to learn about 7 food groups which are protein, carbohydrate, mineral, vitamin, fats, fiber, and water. They should also be able to understand the concept of a balanced diet through YouTube videos and make healthy grocery choices through quizzes based on knowledge of nutrition. And then lastly, they should use English to read, discuss, and decide while shopping virtually. Next, for the next step, which is select methods, media, and materials, I chose Google Site as it is very easy to access and navigate, especially for year 3 pupils. And I also incorporate interactive elements like quizzes from different platforms like WordWall, Kahoot, Edpuzzle, Quizzes, and this is actually a gamification method. And YouTube videos are also being incorporated in the website. And then next, the website also utilizes problem-based learning method to encourage active and student-centered learning while building their critical thinking and decision-making skills. And the website also offers printable worksheet to support offline learning, inclusive and flexible for all pupils to reinforce learning and extend participation beyond the screen. And my website also includes multimodal resources like text, images, and videos to cater to different learning styles. In utilized media and material stage, the website has clear sections and buttons, especially at the homepage for pupils to explore easily. The website also clearly incorporates age-appropriate and visually engaging materials that suit year 3 pupils as they are interactive learners. The website is also structured in scaffolding method where pupils will initially learn first and then answer the activities given. So my website's motto is learn first before you shop. And lastly, the materials are actually based on self-paced learning that helps in inclusive and flexible learning. Next, the users of the website will actively engage with content through videos and answering online quizzes from different platforms like Google Form, Kahoot, WordWall, Edpuzzle, or Quizzes. And then the scoreboard in each activities will actually reflect pupils' achievement and understanding for each subtopic. This will then boost pupils' motivation to do better, hence encourage for reflections and group discussion with the others, ensuring collaborative learning. Lastly, as the website incorporated many different online quizzes, hence students can be assessed through this activity on food groups, nutrition, or English activities like spelling, grammar, reading, and also writing. Teachers can try to observe their student by understanding through activity results and the website navigation ease. Teachers can do revisions based on student performance and feedback on website's effectiveness or any technical and accessibility issues that exist in exploring the website. In conclusion, the Assure model actually helps me a lot in developing the educational website, Husna E-Mart. By focusing on learner needs, setting clear objectives, and integrating engaging media and interactive tasks, the website supports meaningful student-centered learning. Each phase of the Assure model contributed to ensuring that content is both curriculum aligned and age appropriate while the lessons remain interactive, realistic, and also problem based. Additionally, the model supported the creation of learning experiences that actively involve pupils and allow them to apply knowledge in authentic and enjoyable ways. Ultimately, the use of the Assure model in my website enhanced the overall quality, clarity, and instructional impact of the website, making learning more accessible, engaging, and relevant for Year 3 pupils.